How Sam Bankman-Fried shaped a $40 billion house of cards. Samuel Bankman-Fried, born March 6, 1992, also known by his initials SBF, is an American entrepreneur, investor, and founder and former CEO of the cryptocurrency exchange FTX, FTX US, and quantitative cryptocurrency trading firm Alameda Research. FTX experienced a crisis in late 2022, which led to a collapse in FTX's native cryptocurrency, FTT. Amid the crisis, Bankman-Fried announced he would wind down operations at Alameda Research and resigned as CEO of FTX, which filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Bankman-Fried's net worth peaked at $26 billion. In October 2022, he had an estimated net worth of $10.5 billion. However, on November 8, 2022, amid FTX's solvency crisis, his net worth was estimated to have dropped 94% in a day to $991.5 million. According to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, the largest one-day drop in the index's history. By November 11, 2022, the Bloomberg Billionaires Index considered Bankman-Fried to have no material wealth. Before Bankman-Fried's wealth disappeared in November 2022, Bankman-Fried was a major donor to Democratic Party candidates. He was the second largest individual donor to Joe Biden in the 2020 presidential election, personally donating $5.2 million. And he donated $40 million, mostly to Democratic candidates during the 2022 US midterm elections. Hey, welcome to the business class. I wanted to share with you some very surprising facts about how Sam Bankman-Fried shaped a $40 billion house of cards. I've collected a lot of wonderful information about how was Sam Bankman-Fried, and how Sam Bankman-Fried shaped a $40 billion house of cards. Leave a comment on what you think how Sam Bankman-Fried shaped a $40 billion house of cards, and be sure to see our other recent videos. This is going to be very interesting, because here in this video, we're going to share some useful information, through which you must be able to understand about ups and downs related to the topic which we are going to discuss. The video contains a lot of very interesting facts and information as well, so sit back, eat, drink, and enjoy the video. Let's dive into it. Earlier life and education. Bankman-Fried was born in 1992 on the campus of Stanford University into a Jewish family. He is the son of Barbara Fried and Joseph Bankman, both professors at Stanford Law School. His aunt, Linda P. Fried, is the current dean of Columbia University Mailman School of Public Health. His brother, Gabriel Bankman-Fried, is a former Wall Street trader and the director of nonprofit Guarding Against Pandemics. Bankman-Fried attended Canada USA Map Camp, a summer program for mathematically talented high school students. He attended high school at Crystal Springs Upland School in Hillsborough, California. From 2010 to 2014, Bankman-Fried attended the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. There, he lived in a co-educational group house called Epsilon Theta. In 2014, he graduated with a bachelor's degree in physics and a minor in mathematics. Personal life. Bankman-Fried is vegan. As of mid-2021, he lived in a 5-bedroom penthouse in the Bahamas with about 10 roommates. After the collapse of FTX, the penthouse was put up for sale for close to $40 million. According to former employees of FTX and Alameda, Bankman-Fried was romantically involved with co-worker Caroline Ellison, the CEO at Alameda Research. He is a fan of the video game League of Legends, and allegedly played the game while on a call attempting to secure an investment from Sequoia Capital. An article by the Financial Times characterized Bankman-Fried's win ratios in League of Legends as average to bad. How Sam Bankman-Fried shaped a $40 billion house of cards. When Sam Bankman-Fried first started out in the cryptocurrency world, he was just another college kid with a big dream. But unlike most other kids with big dreams, Sam had a knack for making his dreams come true. He started out by creating a small Bitcoin trading platform called BTC Trading Core. That quickly turned into a multi-million-dollar enterprise. From there, he founded one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, BitMEX. BitMEX turned out to be an even bigger success than BTC Trading Core. It's now one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges with over $40 billion in daily trading volume. But how did Sam achieve all this? Well, it turns out that he's not your average crypto entrepreneur. He's a risk taker who always looks for new opportunities. He's also very good at what he does. But perhaps the biggest reason for his success is his willingness to take on projects that others deem too risky. For example, when everyone else was hesitant to enter the cryptocurrency market, Sam saw an opportunity and took it. That's how he built up his impressive $40 billion house of cards. In 2017, Sam Bankman-Fried founded FTX, a cryptocurrency derivatives exchange. Bankman-Fried had no background in finance or trading. He was a software engineer who had become interested in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency while working at a blockchain startup. Despite his lack of experience, Bankman-Fried was able to quickly build FTX into one of the leading crypto exchanges. In just 2 years, FTX was handling $40 billion in trades per day and had become one of the most popular crypto exchanges. However, behind the scenes, FTX was a house of cards that was built on lies, deception, and fraud. In 2019, FTX was embroiled in a scandal after it was revealed that the exchange had been manipulating the prices of its own products. FTX was also accused of wash trading, which is illegal in traditional markets. Wash trading is when an exchange trades with itself to artificially inflate the volume and liquidity of its products. Furthermore, FTX had been accused of running a Ponzi scheme to funnel money from new users to pay off old users. All of these accusations have led to calls for regulation in the crypto industry. However, so far, nothing has been done to rein in exchanges like FTX. Bankman-Fried is the founder and CEO of FTX, a cryptocurrency derivatives exchange. He started the company in 2019 with $3 million of his own money and became a billionaire in 2020 when the value of FTX tokens surged. Bankman-Fried is a controversial figure in the crypto world. Some say he's a genius entrepreneur who has built a revolutionary company. Others say he's a reckless gambler who is driving the crypto market to new lows. Whatever your opinion of him, there's no denying that Bankman-Fried is a fascinating character. In this article, we'll take a look at how he shaped FTX into a $40 billion house of cards. Bankman-Fried was born in Israel in 1985. He grew up in a wealthy family and was educated at private schools. He later attended Stanford University, where he studied mathematics and computer science. After graduation, Bankman-Fried worked as a software engineer for Goldman Sachs and Google. He then decided to become a full-time trader and started his own hedge fund. In 2019, Bankman-Fried launched FTX, a cryptocurrency derivatives exchange. The platform allows users to trade futures contracts on major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. FTX was designed to be more user-friendly than other exchanges. It also offers lower fees and leveraged trading. These features quickly made FTX one of the most popular exchanges in the crypto. In 2017, Sam Bankman-Fried made a bet that would change his life forever. He bet that the cryptocurrency market would continue to grow, and that the tokens he was buying would increase in value. He was right. Today, the 29-year-old executives had become one of the richest people in the world, with a net worth of $40 billion. Bankman-Fried's story is a case study in how to make a fortune in a new asset class. It starts with a willingness to take risks, followed by an understanding of the technology and market trends. Next, it requires building a platform that others can use to trade these assets. And finally, it necessitates having the vision to see where this market is going and positioning yourself accordingly. In 2017, cryptocurrencies were still seen as a risky investment by most people. But Bankman-Fried believed in their potential and invested heavily in them. He bought tokens on exchanges such as Binance and Huobi, and also started his own exchange, FTX. So, that is all the time we had today, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell icon to remain updated about all our future videos. See you all next time.